Kasama ni Jody Santa Maria ang kanyang mga fans na nag-celebrate na ayon nga kay Jody, after 13 years ay finally na-annul na ang kanyang kasal kay Pampi Lacson. Narito ang post ni Jody. Finally, after 13 years of waiting, my petition for nullity of marriage has been granted by the Supreme Court. It was indeed a test of faith and trust, faith in God's promise and trust in God's timing. The time I spent in his waiting room was never easy nor was it comfortable. It was frustrating, discouraging, and even heartbreaking. I cried, prayed, questioned, and complained. I made tampo, asked for forgiveness, prayed some more. I wanted to give up, but he never let go of me. Looking back, it was his grace that sustained and carried me. He had a purpose for the waiting, and that was made clear to me by the Lord. I know some of you might be in his waiting room. May I encourage you with this? When time is right, the Lord will make it happen. Isaiah 60:22. God is never in a hurry. He is never too late, never too early. Believe He is able to do something about your situation. Trust He has a plan for you, and that plan is even better than the one you have for yourself. And when God finally calls you out of the waiting room, don't forget to thank Him and give Him all the glory. Before I end this already lengthy post, please allow me to thank the people who were with me on this journey. Ilang mga artista naman na nag-react dito katulad ni Rita Avila, Cherry Pie Picache, Vina Morales, at marami pang iba. At ang tila highlight nga ng nasabing comment ay natuwa rin si Iwamoto na ngayon ay partner naman ni Pampi Lacson. Ayon kay Iwa, let's celebrate, love you more. Sumagot naman si Jody at sinabing ganito, we should pagbalik nyo. Sa puntong ito ay maraming netizen ang natuwa sa magandang relationship na meron si Jody at pati na rin si Iwamoto. Matagal man ang inintay ni Jody Santa Maria pero it's worth the wait dahil naalagaan din ni Jody ang relationship niya hindi lang sa ama ng kanyang anak kundi na rin kay Iwamoto na kaibigan din at pamilya ang turing ni Jody sa isa't isa.